Hey man, I think I'm a new hire here.
Oh, perfect.
So I can hear. Oh,
How's it going? I'm Nick.
cool. I'm Max.
Nice
to meet you, man. Cool showroom.
Thank you. This is our wonderful showroom here at IPD. Over here we have our wonderful customer service team. I'm sure we've spoken on the
Yeah,
phone
I'm talking
all
to
the
them on the
time.
phone all the time.
Perfect. You already know the deal. So here we have the office of our wonderful vice president,
Right.
Chris Delano. Yes,
Cool.
right here.
Okay.
Great guy. You're gonna love him.
Is he here then?
Nope, he's
Wait,
not. All right, let's
what
go.
the?
So we're gonna come through here. This is gonna be our warehouse. This is where you're gonna be working majority of the time.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have the warehouse.
Oh, nice, man.
Wonderful place to work. You're gonna love it here. This
I
is where
like
you-
warehouse.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is where you're gonna be spending most of your time here.
Okay.
So as you know, we got Black Friday going on. We got all these exclusive parts. Great stuff. So
Did you hear that?
what? What are you talking about?
Dude.
Anyways, so here we got all the maintenance items. We got oil, fuel filters,
Okay.
spark plugs, everything you need.
Okay.
Anyways, moving on from all that stuff. Here we got all the Volvo OE you can ever need. This is great stuff. All this stuff is going to be on sale too. That's why we
spark
really
plugs.
need your help. We're
Okay.
going to be moving a lot of volume. It's going to be great. So here's kitting. This is where all the sway bars, springs, anything you might need gets kitted. Over here is receiving. He's Donovan.
What's up, Donovan? I'm Max. Good. Nice to meet you.
All the stuff gets brought in through here. Everything that's going to be on sale is going to be brought through this department. So now we're going to move on to the shop. As you can see, we have a lot of sway bars that just came in. Get prepared for a huge Black Friday sale. All these are going to be on sale. It's going to be great.
All these are gonna be on sale?
Pretty much.
Wow.
So it's great to have you on here.
I'm excited to be here.
You're going to be shipping all this stuff out. So we have the V70. Stage 3. Beautiful car. Chris, our vice president, mainly drives it, but it is a company car. A big R&D car is a lot what happens here. So anyways, let's get you back to work. Let's
All right,
get
man.
started pulling.
Yeah.